It was 1:47 a.m. My screen was glowing, my eyes were fried, and I was about one tab away from giving up. It kept giving me the same recycled list: dropshipping, content creation, blah, blah, blah. I thought, am I really this stuck? Or is the AI just coasting tonight? So I did something I rarely do. I left ChatGPT and searched for alternatives. 10 minutes into a black hole of YouTube comments and old forums, I found one random post that said, "Perplexity is like ChatGPT but smarter, just try it." No link, no hype, but at that point I had nothing to lose. I opened it. Plain interface, just a search bar, no account needed. Looked like Google if it forgot to get dressed. But I copied my same prompt. Give me 5 underrated AI side hustles and real examples of people doing them. AI Content Reviewer 2, Building Custom AI Workflows, No Code, Low Code. 3. AI-Powered Digital Restoration. 4. Generating niche AI avatars and spokesperson videos. 5. AI-generated trivia and quiz videos. In less than 3 seconds, boom. A clean response, no rambling. It named 5 side hustles I hadn't even heard of, each one linked to a real blog, a Reddit post, or a product listing where someone was actually doing it. It didn't just tell me, it showed me. So let us dive in and find out. Each result wasn't just a headline or a throwaway sentence. It came with links, real ones. A blog post from someone who actually tried it. A Reddit comment thread breaking it down step by step. Even a product listing where someone turned it into income. I wasn't just getting answers. I was getting evidence. Proof that someone somewhere had already done the thing I was still thinking about. And that's when I noticed something. It wasn't just giving me 5 ideas. It was backing each one up with real-world receipts. Like a research assistant who already knew what mattered. It didn't just tell me what I wanted to hear. It showed me what I needed to see. I clicked one of the sources. A Medium post written just 4 days ago, time-stamped. Current. Directly relevant to my prompt. Not generic, not AI hallucination, not filler. It felt like this thing actually understood me, so I ran a test. I gave both ChatGPT and Perplexity the same challenge. Summarize the latest AI model launch, give pros, cons, and whether creators should switch. ChatGPT took 20 seconds, gave me a decent answer, clean but vague. Perplexity? It sourced Verge, Ars Technica, Reddit threads, pros, cons, quotes from devs, and a verdict. It felt like having 5 smart researchers working for me, in real time. Same prompt, 2 answers. Only one felt like it actually understood me. I sat there stunned. All this time I'd been defaulting to ChatGPT, logging in, paying for Plus, waiting for it to think. Meanwhile, Perplexity was just out here, free, instant, citing real info like it was nothing, no fluff, no hallucinations. Then it hit me. This isn't about which AI is smarter. It's about which one respects your time. ChatGPT is like a clever friend who talks a lot. Perplexity is the quiet one in the back, who only speaks when it has something useful to say. The best AI isn't the loudest one. It's the one that gets it right. I finished that script in 90 minutes. It got 50,000 views in 3 days. Not because I was smart, but because I stopped expecting one AI to do everything and started picking the right one for the job. That night, Perplexity didn't just save me time, it made the video better than anything I had planned. Perplexity, free, fast, smart. Use it once, you'll know. Link in description. If this helped, you know what to do. Subscribe, and let's outsmart AI together.